Welcome to our YouTube channel, and this is our Goa vlog.
So we were staying in Palolem and we had decided to go to Kola Beach. Kola Beach is 45 minutes away from Palolem and we had a very beautiful drive to this place. We saw a lot of interior parts of Goa and finally we reached the parking of Kola by 11 or 11:30 in the morning.
Here you will find a big ground to park your car. You can either park the car here or move a little forward through the small road. This is the entrance road to reach Kola Beach.
So once we started walking, we realized that we need to do a trekking of around 800 meters to reach the beach.
It is recommended that you walk and don't take your scooter or car because it can get very difficult to maneuver through these roads. You can even take the service that they provide here. There is a small truck or a pickup van where you can sit behind and they will take you till the Kola Beach. We saw that some cars were finding it difficult to climb this road because the soil is very loose and the tires won't get the grip required.
Although the trek was kind of difficult, but it was altogether fun experience. And then in between we also get some refreshments somewhere in the midway where you can have tender coconut, lime soda or any refreshments of your choice.
If you have an SUV like this, which is a 4x4 wheel drive, it will be very easy for you to go through this road. There are certain areas which have this kind of ditches, which makes it really difficult to take your scooter or your car. You gotta keep walking and walking quite a lot. Coincidentally, my shirt and the mud had the same color.
When you're almost about to reach the place, we see this river-like area. Here you can see them with their kayaking boots.
If you were to bring your car or scooter, this is the last place where you can park before you step down towards Kola Beach.
From here we have these steps to walk down to the beach. From here you can also see this beautiful view of the sunny beach along with a very peaceful looking shack.
This is relatively a peaceful beach. You can see the shack here and you find some rooms also for staying.
Left side of the beach, you can see this beautiful lagoon with cold water flowing into the beach. For me, the best part of this beach is this lagoon.
Here you have the facility to do some kayaking which will cost you somewhere around 200 to 300 per boat.
So we spent some really good time in this ice cold water, which was a necessity in this climate. There are 2 resorts here, and if you have any plans to stay in this place, it would be ideal if you can book a room in one of these resorts.
The lagoon waters are shallow, so it's not very risky to do kayaking, and even if you fall, you just fall into waist deep water.
Finally so hungry that we reached this place called Blue Lagoon and had our lunch here. The food was decent here and we spent some time sitting and relaxing and watching the beach.
We had to trek back again to reach the parking area. By the time we reached back, we were super thirsty and dehydrated. It is not ideal to go here with elderly people or during the monsoons.
After 20 minutes drive from Kola, we reached Kabodiram. This is the entrance to the fort, and as we walk by, we reach a small church. Not sure whether the church is always closed, but when we reached, the church was surely closed. The area looked vast and silent, and with lots and lots of trees around.
To reach the Pebbles beach, you had to walk a little more further through this small path. And through this narrow gate, you enter the Pebbles beach.
The view from the top is awesome, and this definitely is a must-visit place of Goa. So to go down to the beach, we have these steep steps downwards. You need to be very careful as you walk down because there are some steps which are broken or irregular.
As the name suggests, this is called as a Pebbles beach because the rocks here looks like pebbles and is in the shape of big pebbles. From the beach, when you look up, you realize that the climb down was really steep. When you climb back up, you are gonna really feel tired. Luckily, there is a small shop where you get some cold lime soda or some cold juice.
100 meters away from here is the Kabodiram viewpoint. Wow, the view is so good. This definitely is a place to click amazing pictures.
By sunset, we reached back to Palolem and we thought of exploring the Palolem beach. To the right corner of Palolem beach, you can find an estuary and we thought of exploring this place a little further.
We stood here and watched the beautiful sunset and we crossed the estuary as the water was not that deep. gateway of the Palolem market, and we completed the day with a delicious sizzler from the shack. Please like and subscribe our channel and wait for more video content.